Hey everyone, today we're going to break down the real tax changes coming in 2026 and what they mean for seniors and workers. There's been a lot of confusing claims online, so let's clear it up with accurate, IRS-based info. In 2025, Congress passed major tax legislation that was signed into law, often referred to as the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. This law makes permanent many previous tax cuts and adds new ones that take effect for the 2025 and 2026 tax years. You may have heard people saying no tax on tips and overtime, but here's what's actually happening. The law creates new tax deductions for income from tips and certain overtime pay. That means when you file your federal tax return, you can deduct a portion of your tip income and overtime income from your taxable income. For 2025 filers and continuing through 2028, you can deduct up to $25,000 in qualified tip income and up to $12,500 in overtime pay from your federal taxable income. This lowers your federal income tax owed, but it does not completely eliminate all taxes on tips or overtime. Payroll taxes like Social Security and Medicare are still withheld through your paycheck, so rather than no tax ever. What this really means is that a portion of tip and overtime income won't be counted as taxable income when you file your tax return, which often results in significantly lower federal income tax. The law also increases tax deductions for older taxpayers, allowing many seniors to exclude more of their Social Security income from federal taxation. Under previous tax rules, some Social Security benefits could be taxed depending on total income. With the expanded deduction, most seniors will see their Social Security benefits completely free from federal income tax. When you hear statements like working seniors keep $3,000 more in 2026, that number typically refers to average federal tax savings calculated by analysts based on these combined changes. Bigger deductions for Social Security, tips, and overtime when compared to previous years. Your actual tax savings will depend on your personal income, filing status, and how much tip or overtime income you had. It's important to know that these new deductions don't apply to everyone equally. Very high-income taxpayers may see phase-outs, and these provisions are currently temporary, scheduled to expire after 2028 unless Congress extends them. Also remember that these changes primarily affect federal income tax when you file your return. They don't automatically change every paycheck's withholding unless payroll settings are updated by your employer. What this means for you: millions of workers will be able to exclude a portion of tips and overtime pay from taxable income, and most seniors will have more of their Social Security income exempt from federal tax. Many people may see several $1,000s in federal tax savings for the 2025 tax year filed in 2026. As always, individual results vary, so it's a good idea to talk with a CPA or certified tax preparer to make sure you're taking full advantage of these changes when you prepare your taxes. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like and share so more people understand these changes clearly.